as all of you know, that 8th March is worldwide commemorated as Women's Day. So on this occasion, the Entertainment Society of Goa is organizing a film festival of woman director Mrs. Sumitra Bhave from 8th to 11th March 2016. 18. Mrs. Sumitra Bhave is a 7-time National Award winner and won various state awards also. Till now, she has directed Marathi films, namely Doghi, Zindagi Zindabad, Dharavi, Dhavifa, Vastu Purush, Devrai, Badha, Nital, Gho Mala Asla Hava, Ek Cup Chai, Bevakt Barish, Ha Bharat Maza, Samhita, Astu, Kasav. Recently, Kasav won the best film under the National Award category in 2017. So all films will be screened at 6 p.m. On 8th March, the director Mrs. Sumitra Bhave will be felicitated at the hands of Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Speaker of Goa Assembly at Macanese Palace.